People say yes, so I got a lot more to prove. I know it's said that not against my goals, stick. I'ma still love you, baby girl, and never.
Sitting here, just thinking of you, wondering if it's here, yeah, so I got a lot more to prove. I know I said a lot of things, but those came from the heart. I promise to love you, baby girl, and never break you apart. But just know, I give you all the time you need, and pretty sure this waiting game, so I'll be worth it indeed. Are you in a marathon? Cause you keep running through my mind. I can't wait to call you mine when you hit the finish line, hey. When you hit the finish line, hey. I know it's hard for you to believe, but I promise you attention, love, yeah, everything you need. Promise keep you smiling, pick you up when you're feeling down, and try my best to turn the mood, girl, the other way around. I could be your best friend and also be your lover. I'll pay the price to be with you, girl. You're worth $1 billion, even more like a tat. You're always in my mind, in my heart, in my soul. Ride with you until I die, that's for sure. And you told me I ain't scared of fall, just hesitant about this love, and I might fuck 'em all. But don't you worry, when that thought attacks, just keep in mind, baby girl, I always got your back. But just know, I give you all the time you need, and pretty sure this waiting game, so I'll be worth it indeed. Are you in a marathon? Cause you keep running through my mind. I can't wait to call you mine when you hit the finish line, hey. When you hit the finish line, hey.